Tanong ko rin itong parehong tanong kay General Villanueva. Kapani-paniwala ba yung ganyang impormasyon na mayroon daw mataas na BI official na tumanggap ng 200 million para patakasin si Guo Huaping?
Good morning, Madam Chair. Actually, ma'am, we haven't confirmed yet kung talagang may mga usap-usapan po within the intelligence community.
Yes.
Pero wala pa pong confirmation, ma'am, kung may mga witnesses na mayroon talagang nabigyan. But yun ang usap-usapan ngayon. They're still validating it, ma'am.
Ano pa po yung usap-usapan bukod sa general detail na yon na 200M to a high BI official? Meron pa bang ibang mga di umanong sinuhulan? Meron pa bang additional amounts na pinag-uusapan?
May pinag-uusapan na yung sa border immigration.
Mm-hmm.
Hindi ko lang alam, ma'am, yung exact amount, including PNP officials.
Mm.
Pero hindi ko pa rin confirm yun, ma'am. Kasi I'm outside of the loop lately, ma'am, because we're busy right now helping the law enforcement agencies running after the illegal pogos in the countryside or in the provinces.
Alin pong PNP units ang binabanggit sa usap-usapan?
Hindi PNP unit, ma'am, but personalities.
PNP personality. Sino-sino po?
I think it was mentioned the former chief PNP.
Which one?
I don't know, ma'am, but former chief PNP daw.
Wow. All right. Salamat, General Villanueva.
Para sa may init na balita sa loob at labas ng bansa, subscribe na sa Teleradyo Serbisyo YouTube channel.